Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to play with another one of the Danessa Myricks Colorfix. This one is in the shade Lilac Flame. It's a liquid metal. If you like this look and want to see how I achieve it, then please keep on watching and let's play and makeup. Did my brows and moisturize my face. I'm going to start off using the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Going into the Nars Climax palette, I'm using the shades Private Show and Public Eye. I'm applying the shade to my outer V and then blending out in my crease. I used a bigger blending brush to smoke out the first color. I'm going in with a smaller blending brush to blend out the second color into my crease. Tapping into my outer V, dropping a brush a little, and blending into that V. I'm just creating a little C curve. The thing is, I'm using a brush that fits that crease area, whereas this one is bigger than that crease area. This one is getting right in there. I press all the way at the end, tap the majority of the color, and then blend it in a circular motion. And then I create my C and just keep blending. And I'm going back. I'm going clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, because I don't want to smoke the color out too far. But if it comes out this way, it doesn't matter because I'm going to clean it up after. But I'm also doing a C. So I'm doing like 2 times this way, 2 times this way, 2 times up, 2 times down. Don't know if that'll help anyone. If it does, comment below it helped. I'm going to go back onto first brush and just blend where this edge and this light shade meet. Like where you see the line right here, you can kind of see where it kind of stops. Blend that out. And I'm just going up and down in light circular motions. And just for my peace of mind, get a clean blending brush and blend out the top of your first shade so there's no harsh lines. And I'm just doing light circular motions in one direction and doing it again in another direction so you don't see where it stops. So I'm going to show you. This side, the colors melt seamlessly because I kept blending. Right here, I feel like the top of the line stops right here, where you can start seeing the dark purple, and then you see the light. You shouldn't see where it stops or where it starts. So I'm just doing circular motions outward because I don't want to blend the color inward no more. I want it to, you see how it's starting to come out? I want it to blend into each other, but I don't want to make this side darker. So I'm blending it in the opposite direction, away from my eye. I'm going to use the Danessa Myricks Colorfix in the liquid metals. This is in the shade Lilac Flame. I'm going to line my eyes with the MAC Black Track Liner, and then I'm going to go over that with the KVD liner pen, and that's just to darken my liner. The eyes are done for now. I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to start off by color correcting using the LA Girl Pro. Then I'm going to use the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer over that to cover up my dark spots as well. And then I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight my areas of my face where the light hits. I'm going to use an Hourglass foundation stick to contour my face and my nose. So I'm not contouring my chin. My face shape is kind of like diamond shape, I believe. So when I contour my chin, it tends to come like at an angle, and I do not like that look. So I will be avoiding this area when contouring. I'm bringing my concealer up to lift my eye shape. And I'm bringing my highlighter up and I'm blending it out from the arch of this brow to the arch of this brow. I'll come back in with the contour brush and blend those two together. Makeup is all about blending. So the thing about the nose contour, it shapes your face depending on how wide or how close you bring your contour shade in, which is your darker shade. And I bring mine in slightly a bit closer now, because I like the look of that. Of a snatched nose, not so much pinched like I'm losing weight, but just, a healthy bit. The thing about it is also once you do your contour, you want to blend it in. You don't want to see where your lines start and where your highlight is. Blend that in. It's supposed to look like it's natural. I like to just tap it in if I'm not using a brush or a sponge. I'm going over everything with foundation. For today, I'm using the MAC Matchmaster foundation. I'm going to use a stipple brush. I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and go over everything, just make sure everything's blended nicely. I'm going to set my highlighted areas with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I also set the sides of my nose. I always feel like those areas get oily. I'm going to use the Anastasia contour kit to set my cream contour that I applied so it doesn't move and it stays in place for longevity. I'm going to go back into the Laura Mercier powder just to carve out my contour and where it stops at so it's not bleeding over, and it makes a nice sharp, makes my cheekbones look higher. I'm going from the top of the ear and halfway down my face. So you see the difference when I smile? This kind of sits out a little more. You can even carve it up a little versus this side. You can see the contour, but when I clean it up so it's not bleeding through all the way down, you can see where it's supposed to stop. And you can go back and add more if you want to make it pop even stronger. I'm going to go ahead and apply some powder under my eyes so I can finish off doing the eyes. This way, as I'm blending the eyeshadow on my lower lash line, if anything falls out, it'll fall into the powder and I can just wipe it away. Going back into those two shades, I'm gonna take a little, something similar to just a smudge brush, or yeah, smudge brush from Real Techniques. And I'm gonna go back into that lighter shade and apply that on my lower lash line, underneath my lower lash line. I'm gonna use this flat angled brush or any liner brush and go on with a darker shade and apply that up close to my lash line. I'm gonna go back into that smudge brush and just go side to side, blending out those edges so it doesn't look harsh. What I mean by harsh is you see how the darker purple blends, whereas on this eye you see it's just a straight line. You want to blend it so it looks like it's fading from one color to the next. That's what I mean by harsh. For my eyeliner, I'm using this MAC lip liner in the shade Great Expectations. I'm going to apply mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Hydrofuge Voluminous Carbon Black and the Benefit Fan Fest. I'm just going to take another brush with nothing on it and wipe away the powder, kind of pushing it into my face. For my cheeks, I'm going to go into the Kat Von D Alchemist palette and use the shade Ultraviolet Amethyst. I'm going to apply these lashes. While the glue on the lashes are drying, I'm going to go in with MAC NC42 to brighten up underneath my eyes. So I think this lash is way bigger than my eyes. I didn't cut it. I just lifted it more instead of cutting it. I'm going to curl it as well because I feel like it's making my eye look a little dark and I want to lift it up more. So I don't wear lashes like these. This is different for me. I wanted to try something different. It's definitely a different look. I think it's pretty cute, but for me, the lashes are long. Let me turn sideways so you can see how long these lashes are. This is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I wanted to try something different. If I can find a link for these particular ones, I will put them down below. I'm going to go ahead and try to bring everything to, I'm looking at the viewfinder if I keep looking this way. I'm going to go ahead and try to bring everything together with the lip liner and the lips. Y'all comment below and let me know what y'all think of lashes. Are these big lashes and just lashes in general? I know some of y'all are like, them things are freaking spider legs. Girl, the bigger the better. I need to be seen. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to go back in with the MAC Grape Expectations lip pencil. I did clean it off. Resharpened it, disinfected it. Gonna go ahead and use this on the lips. So before this, I put on the Yves Saint Laurent balm. This one is in Candy Glaze. It's just a clear one. So this is what's already on my lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip liner now. I'm applying this on my lips to dry out my lip liner, so this will stay on a little bit longer for longevity. For my lips, I'm going back into the Danessa Myricks Colorfix and Lilac Flame. It is a multi-use product. Let me use the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. A little on the lips goes a long way, so you'll need just a little bit to blend out. I'm going to spray everything down one more time with the airbrush setting spray. I like to double up on sprays. Guys, this is the final look, so let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. So you guys can see, turn down the light so you can see how it looks. I noticed that in some of my videos, when I'm filming with the lights right in front of me, I look brighter and washed out. So I'm gonna start turning down the lights so you can see my true color tone and see what it looks like. So that's the highlight from the Alchemist, the Kat Von D palette. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.